Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Best Reviews. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best RC cars you can buy this year based on their performance, features, and price. Whether you're looking for a street car, a buggy, a truggy, a monster truck, or a drift car, I have something for you. So without further ado, let's get started with the list of the 5 best RC cars in 2024. Starting off our list at number 5 is the HAIBOXING 2995 remote control truck. This 1/12 scale RC buggy is not your average off-roader, it's a beast on wheels. With a 550 motor upgrade, this bad boy can hit speeds of up to 42 km/h, making it an ideal hobby for kids and adults alike. The extended wheelbase, independent suspensions, and DIY body decals set it apart in the world of RC trucks. Zooming into our 4th spot is the HYPERGO A16 Bum. This 1/16 RTR brushless wonder is engineered for speed demons, boasting a max speed of 42 mph. The brushless motor, durable transmission, and application of new materials, including a honeycomb chassis and F/R zinc metal reinforced sheet, make it a force to be reckoned with. The inclusion of 2 LiPo batteries ensures that the fun lasts over 40 minutes, while the design enhancements focus on durability, security, and top-notch performance. This is a true off-road champion for adults. Now taking the bronze is the ARRMA RC truck 1/8 KRATON 6 SV5. With speeds hitting 60+ mph, this 4WD BLX Speed Monster truck is a beast on the track. Upgraded with Spectrum components and smart compatibility, it's not just fast, but also smart. The large volume waterproof receiver box ensures durability, and it's ready to run right out of the box. Ideal for those aged 14 and up, this RC truck brings superior performance and easy handling to the table. Securing our 2nd spot is the RIAARIO 114 RTR brushless fast RC cars. With a max speed of 45 mph, this monster truck is a force to be reckoned with. The powerful and efficient brushless motor, durable transmission, and the use of 60/61 wheel alloy metal materials make it a top contender for various terrains. The driving stability is enhanced with anti-sway bars, ensuring a safe and stable ride even during rapid turns. Get ready for an adrenaline-packed experience with this RC powerhouse. And finally, claiming the throne as our number 1 pick is the legendary remote control car. This hobby-grade RC car is equipped with a brushed motor that propels it to speeds of up to 31 mph. User-friendly controls offering a comfortable grip and a range of up to 250 feet. This waterproof monster truck is ready to conquer any terrain. It comes with not 1 but 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you a hopping 40 minutes of non-stop action. This is the ultimate off-road experience for both adults and kids, making it a perfect gift for any occasion.